Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a Muse symbol on your Microsoft Excel web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a Muse symbol on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer, just going to show. So first of all, if you're just going inside the insert option, there is no symbol option present show. So if you just need to insert a Muse symbol for reference, you can just use your keyboard shortcut as an alternative, and the keyboard shortcut for you just use your Alt key. So the Alt key was about you just want to type as Alt key. You just want to press Alt key with the 230. That's it. So I'm just going to show. So first if I press Alt key, then type 230 on your number keyboard. Just leave the Alt key. This is how you just create the Muse symbol on your Microsoft Excel with a Alt key shortcut on your keyboard. Just press the Alt key, type 230 on the number section, just leave the key, automatically the Muse symbol has been created on your Excel. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.